Hi, I'm the Beat Bender and welcome to my studio. Today on DJ Tips the Hack, we're going to be talking about how to get gigs constantly. You want to know how to get gigs, you want to know how to continuously get shows as a DJ, you find out after now. So, as a DJ, you will always get your first gig. Either consciously or unconsciously, you will always get that first gig. Either it is paid or it's free, you will get it. Maybe from a friend or a referral from an event planner, you will always get that first gig. What is important is, after the first gig, are you guaranteed the next one? And the one after that? And the one after that? That is the important thing you need to always consider as a DJ. And a lot of the time, most people make the mistake to assume, oh, it's simply because if I'm good, I can get gigs. If I can play really awesomely, I can get gigs. There's always someone in between you and that gig, and that is the person that will initiate that connect, the person that will get you that gig. Most of the time, the event planner or a friend, usually a referral, someone you've worked with before that wants to do another event that remembers, oh, let me use this same person. And there is always the possibility and the likelihood of you being picked for the next event based on the following things. So your skills, right, is one of them. But trust me, your skill can earn you the first gig, but your skill might not be able to keep you in that position where you constantly get gigs. As a DJ, your attitude is also very important. Your personality is also very important. If you are called upon to come and perform at an event and you go there looking all unkempt, you are not respectful, you are disorganized, you are not timely, you just, let's say you are even drunk, trust me, no matter how well you play on that day, next gig, your chances of getting it might be slimmer because now you're already putting some restraining, order on yourself by not complying with the rules of, professionalism in terms of being a DJ. See, that is one of the reasons why this channel is being set up, so that you can learn all those tips. We're not here to only talking about how to move this, how to that, training about how to use this equipment. Yes, we will talk about it, but you can also learn this somewhere else. But hardly will you see a channel or a forum that is dedicated to letting you know the importance of your personality as a DJ. Funny enough, in one of our episodes, we talked about how you are dressed as a DJ. You need to learn how to dress properly for events. I've seen DJs who are bounced from their own events because of the way they are dressed. Went outside and was supposed to come back in and was not allowed in. Took intervention to get him in. So learn how to dress responsibly, learn how to be modest to people, smile. You are called there to entertain the house and not just to come there and frown and be just some villain in a movie series. Seriously, you need to learn how to work on your personality as a DJ. It will help you a lot. It will help you grow faster, and it will definitely continuously help you to get gigs. It works. Trust me. I know people have been nice to people. I go to an event, the way I present myself, the way I package all my equipment, the way I dress, I make sure all my teams are dressed. We get the next gig because of the way we are organized. And I've seen a lot of other DJs like that. The way they come, the way they announce themselves, the way their deck, their table is being designed, their signage, all those things that you think do not matter, they matter a lot. I know someone, a particular friend of mine, who would love to have DJ switch any day simply because of that hairstyle. And I know someone who would definitely love to have KYs any day simply because he's just a fan of that drum. So you need to be able to learn how to, that charisma, you need it. And then don't come and be giving us stories every time why you cannot start your show on time because, today this one blew up. Tomorrow, that one blew up. Or today, sorry, my sound is messed up because of this, or no. By the time you are giving your event planners one excuse after the other, they will put you on the second or the third list of to be considered for events. So it is important as a DJ. You always get your first gig, like I said earlier, but are you going to get the next one, and the next one, and the next one? If you want to know the things you need to do to continuously get those gigs in detail, just go through our playlist on DJ Tips. We covered a lot of information and a lot of what you need to do to up your game, your personality, your charisma, and your brand, to make sure it is always poised out there to get the next gig. That'll be all for now. Remember, if you are new here, simply click on the subscribe button and the bell notification so that you can be informed anytime we put up new content. They are for you. Also, remember, share your views in the comment section, and we'll see you in the next one.